celebrate the most joyful day of the year, that is the Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated every year on November 14 to honor the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved children dearly and believed that they are the future of our nation. This special day reminds us that childhood is the best phase of life
for children. Now I request our chief guest and principal ma'am to offer floral tributes before his
बात है बचपन सच्चा साथ है सौ बात की
and highly respected educator who has served the cause of education with passion and sincerity for nearly 4 decades. He rendered 38 years of outstanding service at Boys High School, where he nurtured generation of students with dedication and care. With this deep commitment to academic excellence and discipline, he rose to the position of Vice Principal, serving in that capacity for the last 8 years of his service. His guidance and leadership have been a source of inspiration to both students and teachers alike. After his retirement from his service, he served as the President of the Past Association from 2021 to 2024. He continued to guide and support the association until he recently retired from it in 2025. A dedicated teacher, an able administrator, and a respected mentor, Shri Vidyadhar Murukar Sir life and service truly reflect his love for education, his humility, and unwavering commitment to shaping young minds. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce our chief guest.
एक बात है बचपन सच्चा साथ है भूल जाते नहीं फिर आते नहीं भूल जाते नहीं फिर आते नहीं बचपन एक सौगात है.
Now it's time to appreciate and celebrate the achievements of young talents who have made us proud with their outstanding performance in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. Yes, every effort deserves recognition and every achievement deserves applause. So dear students, let's put our hands together to cheer for the prize winners of this year. To begin with, we have our academic prize, the recognition of consistent hard work and dedication. We are glad to announce the second rank holders of our school for the academic year 2024-25. I request our respected chief guest, Mr. Vidyadhar Murukar Sir, to kindly present the prize to our second rank holders.
भूल जाते नहीं फिर आते नहीं भूल जाते नहीं फिर आते नहीं बचपन एक सौगात है. Happy Children's Day to you. 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 खुशी मिले वहीं जहाँ गिले नहीं शिकवे शिकायत नहीं बचपना सही सचपना सही कोई बनावट नहीं. खुशी मिले वहीं जहाँ गिले नहीं शिकवे शिकायत नहीं बचपना सही सच.
And the principal Janhavi Rao and teachers of this institution, I feel very proud and happy to attend this Children's Day function in your schools. Happy Children's Day to all of you. This is the occasion to remember and show respect to the great national hero Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in whose memory his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day or Bal Din.
नहीं फिक्र रहते बेखबर चाहे खुशी हो या गम कैसी है ये उम्र नहीं कोई भी डर हर बात पर माँ कसम कोई नहीं
Good afternoon, children. How was the program? Okay, my dear teachers and children, first of all, let us give a big round of applause to our teachers for their wonderful cultural programs today. Teachers, your efforts, creativity and enthusiasm have made this day truly special. Today, you have shown that even after many years, the child within us never disappears. Because being a teacher, even this appreciation is for me also. Okay. Dear students, this day is dedicated to you, your dreams, your laughter, your imagination and your bright future. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru believed that children build the nation, and I see his vision alive in each one of you. You are growing up in a fast, challenging world, new technology, AI, global opportunity, but remember, values like kindness, respect, hard work and honesty will always remain your biggest strength. So let me share a very short story. A minute, can you spare? Yes? Okay. The story is about the pencil and eraser. Pencil and eraser. One day, a pencil felt very bad. It looked at the eraser and said, I am so sorry. Whenever I make a mistake, you get smaller and smaller trying to erase it. The eraser smiled and said, that's okay. I am made to help you. Your mistakes don't make you weak. They help you learn as long as you keep trying. So I don't mind getting smaller. Children, this story teaches us something important. That is, never be afraid of mistakes. They help you to grow. What matters is that you keep learning, keep improving and never give up. Today, I want you all to promise yourself, stay curious, ask questions, respect your parents and teachers, work hard, dream big and believe in yourself. And the most importantly, always be kind. So once again, thank you teachers for making this celebration so lively and meaningful. And thank you children. So your smiles are the greatest reward for all of us. So once again, Happy Children's Day.
For gracing the occasion and sharing valuable words. I express my heartfelt thanks to our Principal Madam for the continued guidance and support, and to all the teachers for their dedicated efforts in organizing this event. My appreciation also goes to the support staff whose quiet and efficient work ensured the smooth conduct of today's program. Finally, I thank our dear students for their enthusiastic participation, which truly made this celebration special. Once again, Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.